If your business isn't showing up at the top of Google Maps, then you're leaving 40 to 60% of leads on the table. So I'm gonna show you how to run simple ads to make sure that you're showing up in the top 3 in the Maps pack step by step. Now, if I'm someone that goes to Google and searches up plumber in Los Angeles, as you can see here right away, we see the local service ads, which is gonna be right up here. Right below that, we're gonna see the search ads, and below that is where the Maps pack is going to begin. And this is so important, and why you wanna show up here is because you're gonna get really high intent leads. And not only that, but your ads are gonna be showing up in the service area. So that means your business or your company is gonna be near the leads that are in your area. And so that means that they're gonna be much more likely to convert if you're in the same area, okay? And if a lot of times people are searching on their mobile phones, they're actually going to pull up the maps, as you could see here, and you're gonna see all the plumbing businesses within that area or within Los Angeles, okay? Now you can see here the top 2 are the sponsored ads, and this is so powerful because people are able to see where you are located. They can see your reviews, and more importantly, just where your location is, right? If you're near them and they have an urgent problem or issue, then they're more likely to call you. So you wanna be sure that you are showing up at the top of the page here. Even more importantly, if you can, start adding up and piling up those reviews, okay? Now, obviously I'm on desktop, so it's gonna show more businesses on this screen here, but if I'm on my mobile phone, Google's really only gonna be showing you 1, 2, maybe 3, or maybe even 4 on the mobile, because the mobile screen is gonna be a lot smaller. But essentially, if you're the top 3 right here, then you are much more likely to convert. And these lead quality is so much higher because they're already searching for you. They've already taken an initiative to go to Google and search for your services. This isn't compared to like social media ads where you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, where these people are mindlessly scrolling on these social media platforms, not really looking to hire anybody, right? These are gonna be really high intent, high quality leads, and they're red hot leads and are more likely to turn into customers for your business. So you wanna make sure that your business is showing up in the locations, the cities that you are servicing. Now let's go ahead and show you exactly how to set this all up. Now, the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna set up your Google My Business, okay? If you don't have a Google My Business yet, just search up how to set up a Google My Business here on Google, and you're gonna wanna scroll down and you're gonna see Google Business Profile, get listed on Google. Go ahead and create your account and fill out all the information that Google asks from you. Now, the thing with Google My Business is that it may take 7 to 14, maybe up to 30 days for Google to actually verify your location, just because they want to make sure that you are a legit business and you are the rightful owner of this business that you are setting up. So Google may do things such as send you verifications. They'll send a piece of mail to your business location, and then you would take that code to verify your business. Once that's all done, you would then have a verified Google My Business profile. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Jordan. I run a Google marketing agency, and me and my team have managed over $17 million in ad spend. So what that means is that we have a lot of data on what works and what doesn't. And so now I use my platform to teach you everything that you need to know so that you can skip the learning curve and go straight into getting results. Now, if you want me and my team to set up our fully local lead engine system into your business, so that way you can start generating phone calls and new sales coming in within the first week of turning on our system, then book a call with me and my team. That link is going to be in the description below. Now, if you are somebody who wants to learn how to run ads themselves and want to know what's going on in the ad campaign and understand how to run Google ads themselves, so that way you don't have to rely on hiring marketing companies and hiring people off of Upwork and hiring Google Ads Manager that just isn't getting you results, then check out my mentorship program where I will personally teach you how to set up and run our Google Ads system for your business so that you can have a system that consistently generates you calls. That's gonna be the second link in my description. Now let's get back to the video. All right, so now that we have set up our Google My Business and it's verified, you wanna go ahead and now log into your Google Ad account, okay? From here, you wanna go over to Tools, go into Data Manager right here. And from here, we want to click on Connect Product, okay? So once we click on that, we're gonna see all these options pull up. Don't worry about it. What we want to click on is a Google Business Profile. Now, from here, you wanna make sure that you are typing in the profile that you own. So if you've already created your Google My Business and you use your email to connect that, what you wanna do is go ahead and add that here, okay? Select the business profile that you own. So we're gonna click on that. You wanna make sure that the email is the correct email that's connected to your Google My Business. From here, you wanna click on next, and then we're just gonna simply click on link. So once you've connected your Google business profile, it's gonna show up right here and it's gonna show that it has been linked. So you successfully linked your Google My Business profile to your Google Ads account. Now, the next step that we wanna do is connect it to your actual Google Ads campaign. So let me show you how to do that now. So from here, what you want to do is make sure that we click on all campaigns, or if you want to select specific campaigns to connect your location, okay? So from here, we want to go to assets, this button right here. Now from here, what we want to do is scroll over to locations tab. We're going to go ahead and click on that. So I've already gone ahead and connected the business profile, but what you would do is click on the plus sign. So once I've clicked on the location tab, what you want to do is click on this plus sign right here. As you can see, it's going to ask you select the location types you want to advertise. We are going to select our locations. The advertiser owns this store. We're going to go ahead and click continue. And from here, we get 3 options. We can connect our Google business profile. If you own chain stores, we would click on this here, and we would search up the business that you want to connect. And you can simply search up your business on Google Maps as well. Now in this case, very simple. If we've already created a business profile, we're just gonna go ahead and click here. And then you just want to connect the correct email address that's associated with the Google My Business profile that you created. Okay, so that's gonna pop up here. Now for whatever reason, if you don't have access to that and you want to request access to another Google Business Profile Manager account, you would go ahead and click that here, and you want to type in the email address that is associated with that Google My Business profile. So maybe you don't have access to your own profile, maybe someone else created it. So then what you would want to do is go ahead and get that email address and type that into here. What that's going to do is then send a confirmation to that email for them to go ahead and accept you so that you can link it to this ad account. And the third way is to type in the domain to ask for access. So whoever's in charge of the domain website will get a notification, and that's another way for them to accept you as well. So in this case, we've already created our Google Business Profile account. It's already associated with our email. We're going to leave it as that, or select the correct one and hit continue. From here, your businesses are going to pop up, and if it is correct, then you would go ahead and click save. All right, so now that we've added the asset of adding your location there, now your business should start showing up at the top of the Google Maps when you are running ads. Now, to increase your chances of making sure that your business is showing up the top more often, then we need to start implementing little strategies to make sure that you're showing up and that Google algorithm is favoring you. So what we wanna do is set up our location, okay? So you wanna make sure that wherever your business is located, we are specifically targeting that area, okay? So for example, if we service Los Angeles, but our office or Google My Business profile is located, let's say in Torrance here, then we want to make sure that we are adding that to your Google Ads targeting. And this is so important because Google does a really good job as a #1 search engine to show the ads to the most relevant user. And by doing the little things such as adding the location and making sure that Google understands that not only our office is located in this location, but we're also servicing that area and running ads in that area. So we're telling Google essentially to show us at the top of the page whenever someone is searching on Google Maps. Now that you're targeting the correct location, what you want to also implement is that you're targeting location-based keywords. So for example, if you are an electrician, roofer, plumber, any sort of local service-based business and you are targeting those specific keywords, what you want to do is start adding the location to your keyword. So for example, if my business profile is located in Torrance, then I would put plumber in Torrance, roofer in Torrance, electricians in Torrance, okay? So it's very important to add those locations with the main keyword, so that way you're an extra layer of letting Google know that you're targeting that specific area with that specific service, so you want to show up your ads at the top of the Maps pack. So now whenever someone is searching up your services with that location, which is how many users are using Google or search engine to search for things, then you're gonna be much more likely to show up at the Maps pack now. So by connecting your business profile, adding it to the assets, setting up your location to make sure you're targeting your business profile area, targeting those high intent keywords with the location base, these things are gonna increase your visibility on the Google Ads Maps pack. Now, if you are running PMax or Performance Max campaigns, essentially your ads are gonna be showing up on multiple different platforms, which means that your ads may not always show up on the locations or the maps pack, okay? And so for Performance Max, your ads are gonna be showing up in Gmail, on YouTube, on the search engines, on Google Partners. And so there's much more platforms where your ads are showing up now, and it's less likely going to show up in the location. So if you want to ensure that you are showing up in the Maps pack, you want to set up a Google search campaign and make sure that you're connecting the Google My Business profile and doing all the steps that we talked about today. Now, as a reminder, if you want my marketing team to take over your business and set this all up, manage it, run it for you, we actually have a fully done for you local lead engine system that we implement so that you can start generating calls and sales within the first week of running our system. We go way beyond than just clicking buttons and setting up your Google Ads campaign. You're essentially adding a Google growth partner into your business to think outside of the box to make sure that not only you stand out from your competitors, but you also have a successful campaign. And so we've managed over $17 million in ad spend on Google now, which means we have a lot of data on what works. And essentially we would just plug in our system into your business and start generating those same results. So if you're interested in hiring my marketing agency or having me personally mentor you to set this all up, then both of those links are gonna be in the description of this video. And that's the full breakdown of how to run Google Map Pack ads the right way. Now, most agencies don't even know that this exists. So if you understand this, you're already ahead of 99% of your competitors. If this has helped you whatsoever, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'm posting more advanced tutorials that most marketers will never teach publicly. And that's the full breakdown of how to run Google Map Pack ads the right way. Now, most agencies, most marketers don't even know that this exists. So if you understand this, you're already 99% ahead of your competitors. If this has helped you whatsoever, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications because I'm gonna be posting more advanced tutorials that most marketers will never teach you publicly. And if you wanna work with me directly and my team to build a lead generation system that consistently brings you high intent calls every single week, then there's a link below to apply for my program. So reach out if you are serious about scaling your business.